Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by reading one chapter a day from R.S. Sharma, focusing on social and economic themes. Read actively, underline concepts, write marginal notes, and mark pages for review. Summarize each chapter in 200 to 300 words to capture arguments and evidence so you can revisit the core ideas quickly. Highlight dates, reigns, and material culture while reading to build a temporal map that links politics to economy and society. After every 3 chapters, pause to synthesize connections between agrarian change, urbanization, and state formation. Create 2-column notes, concepts on left, evidence and citations on right to separate interpretation from proof. Build a running timeline noting rulers, reforms, and archaeological phases so you can see cause and effect across centuries. Use maps and sketches to link geography with trade routes and urban centers and annotate distances or river names when relevant. Cross-reference R.S. Sharma's examples with primary evidence and list key terms with brief definitions in one place for quick recall during revision sessions. Revise weekly with active recall and one-timed answer to a past question to simulate exam conditions and consolidate memory. Practice writing 300 to 500 word answers using Sharma's framework of causes and consequences, structuring each answer with an introduction, 2 to 3 analytical paragraphs, and a concise conclusion. Consult primary sources or archaeological summaries when constructing evidence-based answers so your essays cite concrete examples. Finally, swap answers with a peer for feedback and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.